Hi and welcome. My name is Kevin from Leverage Business Apps, and today I'm introducing our first course, which is going to be on creating a project portal using Microsoft PowerApps and Microsoft Power Automate. Through your new Microsoft Power App, you're going to be able to collect leads, create project documents, store those using SharePoint backend, and track the proposal process all the way through draft contracts through getting it out the door to the client for signatures. We'll use Power Automate to help with notifications through Microsoft Teams. And in all, this should be a great solution to help you get out of a bunch of Excel spreadsheets and limit the number of emails between team members. So you can really focus on collaboration through this one central project portal. We're excited to have you join, and you can find more details below. And if you're seeing this on YouTube, you can visit us at leveragebusinessapps.com. Thanks again, and excited for you to join the course.